In this video, I'm going to show you how to contact Vudu's customer service. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what you want to do is open up a web browser and head to a site called pissconsumer.com. This site is really good for finding out emails and phone numbers of different companies and businesses. So yeah, head on over to pissconsumer.com. And now once you're on there, landed on their page, you want to click on the search bar, which is located on the top, and then type in Vudu. Then click search, or that's it there. So click on Vudu. And now from here, scroll down, and then we've got reviews, about, contacts, Q&A tabs. We want to click on the one that says contacts. And then you're going to be in the contact section. So here we go. So Vudu phone numbers and email. So they've got a toll-free number, which is it here. I've accidentally clicked on it. You can click on call customer service directly here. Or if you'd rather send them a message, go ahead and click on send message. And they've also got other emails listed. They got content, partnerships, customer service, and legal emails as well. And if we click on more phone numbers and emails, there's a few more different emails here as well.